In this video, I'll guide you through how to import XML into Microsoft Project using the web experience and planner in Teams. Even though the option is primarily designed for traditional project files, there are ways some organizations can bring in XML data too, and I'll walk you through what to look for. To get started, you'll want to open Microsoft Project in your browser. The easiest way to do this is by going to the project website in your browser or by opening the Planner app inside Microsoft Teams if your organization uses it there. If you're in a web browser, sign in with your work or school account and look for the project homepage. If you're using Teams, find the Planner or Project app from the left-hand sidebar or from within a specific team channel, depending on how your organization has it set up. Once you're in the Project or Planner interface, we're going to create a new plan or project that will act as the container for the data you want to bring in. Look toward the top of the screen for an option labeled New Plan or New Project. The exact wording can vary slightly based on your license and interface, but it will always be some variation of creating something new. Click on that button. Instead of building a project from scratch, we're going to use the Import option. On the creation screen that appears after you choose to make something new, you should see an option like Import from Project Desktop. Select that. This tells the web version of project that you want to bring in an existing schedule from a file rather than starting with a blank plan. Now, here's an important detail. This import feature is primarily designed to look for traditional Microsoft Project desktop files, typically with the .mpp file extension. In most standard setups, when you choose Import from Project Desktop, you'll be prompted to upload one of those .mpp files from your computer or from your organization's storage locations. If all you're working with is a regular project file, you can simply select it, upload it, and let the system create a new online project based on that imported schedule. However, if you're specifically interested in XML data, there's a key nuance. Not every environment supports importing XML directly through this same screen. In some organizations that use the premium version of Planner or have more advanced project capabilities, there may be an additional path available through the Power Apps interface. In those setups, XML data can sometimes be brought into Project or Planner by using custom apps or flows that your administrators have configured. What this means in practice is that if you don't see a clear direct XML option when you choose Import from Project Desktop, your ability to import XML may depend on whether your organization's administrators have enabled a Power Apps solution for it. If your company has a Project or Planner administrator or an internal IT team, it's a good idea to check with them. Ask whether XML import has been configured through Power Apps, and if so, how you should access it. Often they'll provide a specific app, form, or link that lets you upload XML data, which then populates a project or plan in the background. So to recap the core workflow, open Microsoft Project on the web or Planner in Teams, start a new plan or project, and select the option to import from Project Desktop. From there, you'll either upload a standard .mpp file or, in organizations that have gone a step further, use a Power Apps-based process to bring in XML data.